Sultan Iskandar Muda International Airport, Pulau Bintang, Aceh Besar. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off and the aircraft has come to a complete stop. You are reminded to check around your seat for any personal belongings, and please use caution whenever opening the overhead compartment. It has been a pleasure having you on board, and on behalf of Captain Said Huzaimi and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying with Firefly and codeshare with Malaysia Airlines. Have a nice day. The local time is 10 minutes till 11 in the morning with the temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, selamat datang ke lapangan terbang Bandara Internasional Sultan Iskandar Muda, Pulau Bintang, Aceh Besar. Waktu tempatan sekarang ialah pukul 10.50 pagi dengan suhu 32 darjah Celsius. Sila berada di tempat duduk anda sehingga isyarat pasangkan tali tidak dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Anda diminta berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas dan pastikan tiada barang yang tertinggal. Bagi pihak Kapten Said Huzaimi dan anak-anak kapal, kami mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih